Good morning. Today is 1st September of 2022. We are opening after a break, after holiday of Ganesh Chaturthi. During that time, US markets has fallen down again, and we saw the same reaction even in the SGX. VIX is also falling and market is also falling. This situation we have seen when there is an intervention of central banks or the RBI during post-COVID recovery, when they are infusing more liquidity and they are altering interest rate. That time we have seen both the market is also falling, VIX is also falling, and VIX is also rising, market is also rising. Those situations we have seen during that time. And European markets are also fallen down. That's a natural expected reaction. And Asian markets, which are trading and open as of now, they are trading down. And SGX is trading around 17,470, almost around 350 to 400 points down from our closing. Let's see on the SGX part. This is during Tuesday, 30th August. Suddenly market opened and it went up. Thereafter it started falling down. Then it remained constant during the US market hours. Thereafter it fallen down during yesterday when we were observing holidays. And it is at the lower end only. And today again there is a down. One thing we can note here, the volume is less during this season and during this period, and compared to other when we are trading, the volume will be in comparison with it, and thereafter volume is less when we are closed. So the difference amount will be high and fluctuating very fast in the SGX Nifty. Almost all GDRs and EDRs are traded in red, few are traded in green. I think today also they are going to be in some effective movement on Reliance because of windfall tax is increased, and these things will not be trading that frequently. The most important is crude is falling. It has become the $95 below, which indicates there is a definitive slowdown in coming days. And looking into this, OPEC countries and other non-OPEC countries, they told that they are going to be reducing the production or the output of the crude oil. So that's going to have further effect on it. Before going to the market levels for intraday in our markets, this was remained closed, and these all are events which are happened yesterday. And important thing, the GDP data for most of the countries will be coming out in this month. This was the one which affected most in the US market. And almost all countries will have PMI data and GDP data and home sales coming out in this month. If you go to this investing.com, there will find this important events for the calendar. So we have physical deficit more when compared to the previous quarter on quarter. FOMC member Bostic speech, that is what has affected yesterday in the US market more than anything else. Australia's interest rate decision. Nowadays this is all becoming very important to trade in the markets till 9th of September, till next week expiry. These are the data. All the PMI index GDP data will come for almost all of the countries across the globe. On Tuesday at around 3:20, I told don't get carried away with this rally, because 17,840 is the profit booking zone, and today morning we are seeing the same. On Tuesday we closed here nearly 17,778, and we took support here. Looking at this and today's Nifty opening, 17,440, around 20 points premium if you count, and 17,460 we are opening. So we are opening near to the previous low. Whatever we gained 400 points on that day, that we are going to lose in a one session only. So what should be the trade hereafter? For intraday, nothing much has changed except this candle, big candle which has formed. Nothing basically it has changed. So we have support at 17,329 or 17,330 levels, and resistance is at 17,622 levels. So this will be the levels for intraday. I don't think we'll go. It will be overnight volatile rather than intraday volatility. So this is overall structure. It has to go down. We are just looking, or we'll wait for the reason. Market will go down and up. We just will search for the reason to blame it on others rather than our trades. So this will be the 17,332, 17,622 will be the trading range for intraday, and I will told you it's going for a consolidation between this same zone from 17,840 level till this gap, that is around 16,900 levels. It will keep on in this zone for quite some time. For intraday, 17,332 to 17,622 would be the range. So other indicators, not in overbought or oversold zone, nor in ATR is reduced. They are all trading in a comfortable zone. The thing is, current IV volatility and historical volatility are rising. So when the volatility rises, the premium will become very expensive. So you need to take care when you are going for a long in the options in these situations. However, the major contributor Bank Nifty is still strong. So this is the one index which is deciding index. It is an uptrend, whereas index Nifty is in downtrend. So don't know how this will calculate and how it will work out. But Bank Nifty, once it crosses or it falls below the level of 38,400 for 2 consecutive days and closes below that, then it will be the downtrend is beginning of this index. So we have to wait and watch for this index to behave. Since Bank Nifty is very sensitive index, I suggest you to avoid. In the Nifty, we can trade between for intraday for 1st September, that is from 17,330 level to 17,622. Have a good day. Thank you.